Introducing the Oliver Speedseal MX2, automated trayveyor model 1908E, the perfect solution for sealing your meal trays quickly and efficiently. With its intermittent motion sealing, this machine can seal up to 1,600 trays per hour, making it a robust and dependable choice for any meal packaging operation. The Oliver Speedseal MX2 is also incredibly easy to use, with simple green-red stop-start functions and tool-free tray carrier removal for easy cleaning, all make cross-training a breeze. And with adjustable speed, you can customize the machine to your specific needs, ensuring a simple and reliable sealing process every time. The Oliver Speedseal MX2 is calibrated to create the optimal seal for your portable meal packaging needs. And with its standard 120 volts with no special wiring required, this machine has a small and mobile footprint, making it an ideal choice for schools, institutions, corrections, and senior meals. Get your meal packaging operation up and running quickly and efficiently with the Oliver Speedseal MX2. For more information on the Oliver Speedseal MX2 automated trayveyor model 1908E, visit us at oliverquality.com.